Good afternoon everyone, my name's Swift and today I'm going to be quickly reviewing a Retevis RT81 digital mobile radio, DMR digital radio. I've got this set up for UHF and it has 32 different frequencies through both analog and digital radio. I would just like to point out that you do need a radio or ham license for these. Here in the United Kingdom and United States there is a lot of emergency services that work on the same DMR broadband as this, so please go careful and don't spam or harass anyone through these type of radios, because they can actually track your signal, shut off your radio entirely, and you can get prosecuted through the criminal courts. So just make sure you use this efficiently and effectively for the purpose it's intended, and don't mess about with it. This is not a toy, this is a true professional grade radio. It's 10 or 5 watts, you can change the power settings. This has full encryption and is fully waterproof up to 15 meters for 30 minutes, I think they said. So these are full professional grade radios, RT81 radios from Retevis. Again, fully waterproof. So let's take a closer look at this. On the top you've got an aerial, obviously, which can unscrew at your own leisure, male-female connector. This is a 400 to 480 megahertz aerial for the UHF frequencies. On the front here you have a nice waterproof speaker microphone system. On the left here you have a owner's patch where you can put your company name or even quite simply the number of this radio. Along here you have a waterproof Loctite system for your wireless headpiece or wired headset, and this is also where you put your connector to program this inside your computer. On the right hand side you can see the big button in the middle, PTT it says. That's a push to talk button. That's the one where you're going to be saying, "Hello Ben, have you found any gold nuggets yet? Over. I'm metal detecting and only finding tin cans. Over and out." That's the sort of thing that I normally say because I find loads of trash while metal detecting. Both above and below the push to talk or PTT button you have customizable buttons which are very handy. You can set them to whatever you like. At the moment I have 10 watts and 5 watts control at the top. I press and hold that and it changes the power output, and the bottom button controls the encryption, which is really handy. And also on analog mode I've set that to a scan function, so I can just keep scanning through the channels that are preset onto my radio, which is very handy. If you're in a tight working environment and you're in security, you can scan all the security channels in your environment, whether you're in a movie theatre or a protest or wherever you're working. It's a really handy feature to have. At the top you have your on and volume button.
16.
Channel 16, this is the analog channel. There's 32 channels through 2 modes on this. I'll just turn that up so you can hear it. This is analog mode. On analog mode
Power low.
there's low power.